Pretty good. I think I'm going to take this little belt sander and go over all the weld. Hi guys. This episode we're going to do a little bit of everything. We've got more angle iron, so walk over here. We're going to go ahead and cut it and weld it here. I think we got enough. We're going to take the driver's side door peeler off. Put a piece of angle iron there too. That way we can finish this up here. Get that all taken care of and put another piece there. And then we're gonna try to take these back screws off, which I'm not sure if that's gonna work like the way I want it to. But we'll put some PP blaster on it before we do anything, and this one here too. Put some PP blaster on it. And I think that's all, other than I have to remove the steering wheel, which I have a pulley puller, so I'm not sure if I have the right size bolts to go in there to pull the steering wheel off. But we'll look at that too. And of course we're gonna keep on coming across top of the firewall here, getting it all cleaned off. And I think I am gonna do the I guess what I call plating. Putting a piece of steel from here to here over the seam and on the back side too, so we might look at that as well. So kind of just a mix of different things to do. Mainly want to start getting this reinforced so we can pull the dash, and we'll set it on that, which needs to be cleaned off, but set it on there. Like I said, we'll start fixing rust holes on it, and they'll give us opportunity to get underneath here and pull out all that I guess sound deadening stuff. Rather get the sound editing new material and put it all up in there and back on the back firewall up to a point. But mainly I'm going to put it right through here, because we're gonna lizard skin this whole thing, and that should provide a little bit of sound deadening. But I don't plan on putting carpet or anything in this. But anyways, with all that being said, let's start. Take the door peeler off, and we'll start welding up some braces, and then we'll go from there. I'll give you a little quick tour of the garage again. We actually got a lot cleaned yesterday. Had time out here. Got a whole bench cleaned here. Oh, and we also got our repair kit in, so we'll have to do that as well. Talked to my buddy. I'm going to try to use this press whenever he has the time, but if y'all haven't done this before, y'all can pause the video. There's the directions. Extract old pin, drill side B, which is the movable. That's a 7/16. Then press the new bushing, which is this, into side B with a letter size L or 9/32 drill bit to accept the new hinge pin. And then this is on some of you may need drill side A too for clearance, 16 or 17/64. And you coat the pin with lubricant and assembled just like that, which this will be inside there. Anyways, we'll get to that hopefully this week, but let's head over there and we'll start getting stuff together. This side wasn't very good. For some reason I got back behind on that one, but it's not moving, so hopefully they'll do it. This other side, I think it went okay. It's not moving either. Thinking about putting a couple screws down there just to kind of tie it in better down there. But I think we're good to go. Spray some PB Blaster. Let that set. Then we'll start taking this down through here. And I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and start tacking this all back together up here too today. And I think my little air grinder is done. I think I ran it too much water going through it, so I think it's froze. But we'll look at that and see. But yeah, I want to get this patched up and get some PB Blaster and start stripping that back some more. So let's get to it. I think we're gonna stop with this today because, oh, now it works. We can see all the water come out of the bowl. So I'm thinking, I need to drain the water out of the tank tonight and get an inline filter for it. But nothing out of the ordinary up here. There was some rust right here and in this channel. You can kind of see right back here what I'm talking about. This kind of surface rust, but I'll get down there and get that out, and I'll put some body filler or putty or seam sealer back through all this. Not as much. Still don't know what those indentions are for, but noticed over here they had filler in that too, so I'm not sure if that was just a way overdone spot weld, because I had it in this and this one, or maybe that's where something met, or I don't know. But I did notice a little bit of rust in this little seam here. I think I got most of that out. Gonna have to go back over it. But it's coming along. I think I might have to buy a new one of these. I think I'm gonna see all the oil and water. Not supposed to be there, especially around the bit itself. So may look at getting another one of those. I think we're gonna come over here and try to tack this up a little bit better, and we may cut this pin out of this hinge and try to hammer it all the way through, maybe. But let's go here and start piecing this together. I think we come to a good stopping point on this. Looks okay. Pretty good. I think I'm going to take this little belt sander and go over all the welds. See if I can't make them look just a little bit better. But I think this is done now. Nothing goes in here except kind of try to reference this. Anyways, I think we're close enough. We did a little bit more uncovering, till my little air tool went out on me. There's some rusty body putty in here, so I was thinking about just getting the nasty stuff out, the thick stuff, but I think I'm just going to take it all off now. I may get it to where I can see the original primer and call it good and just paint over it, because if there's no rust coming through that, then it should be fine, I would think. Got these on there for dash removal. Sprayed our screws with PB Blaster, so hopefully they'll be easy to get out. And next time I might try to get this off. Like I said, I got a pulley puller, but I'm not sure I have the right thread bolts to put in that. But I think that'll do it for me today. Well, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, it really does mean a lot to the channel, a lot to me. But that's about all I got for you today. See you next time.